Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my brand new Arturo Fuente cigar haul. So first on this list, we are going to have the Arturo Fuente Hemingway short story. This is one of those cigars that I always recommend to beginners just because of the size. If you ever wanted to try Arturo Fuente, the short story is always the way to go. Now next on the list, we are going to have the Arturo Fuente Añejo number 48. Now this 48 is going to be a bigger, longer cigar. And as you can see, it does have that cedar wood wrapping as well. And a lot of people don't really notice it, but there are different flavor profiles that you get when smoking a cigar that's been wrapped in cedar wood, as opposed to one that's not. So third on the list, we are going to have this Arturo Fuente Double Chateau Maduro. So as you can see, we obviously have the cedar wood wrapping on the cigar as well, but it's still going to be a little bit shorter than the Añejo Arturo Fuente. So for the next cigar on this list, we are going to have the Arturo Fuente Don Carlos Double Robusto. Now, I'm actually pretty excited about this cigar because I have yet to try the Don Carlos Arturo Fuente cigars. I've seen some people love them, some people don't really care for them, but I'm actually really excited to try them out. Now we're going to start getting into the more special, high-end, more expensive cigars. So here we have the OpusX Lost City in the Double Robusto. So this isn't going to be the cheapest cigar. You're going to be paying somewhere in the $30 range for the cigar, depending on your location. But there's definitely a very interesting story behind it, and I'm very curious as to the flavor profile and how this is going to taste. So for the next cigar, we are going to have the OpusX 20th Anniversary. And this is a cigar that I've really been on the lookout for, mainly for its aesthetic aspect and its blue colorway. It's just a very good looking cigar, and this is one of those cigars that I'm definitely going to wait to smoke it in a special moment. And last but not least, we are going to have the Arturo Fuente Rare Pink Sophisticated Hooker. And again, this is another cigar that I've been on the lookout for, and I'm very excited to be able to have this in my collection. Alright guys, so that's going to be the entire Arturo Fuente cigar haul. I'm actually very excited that I was able to get my hands on these three pretty rare Arturo Fuente cigars. But then to also get the Don Carlos, it was one that I've been meaning to try. But I mean, overall, I'm very excited about this new Arturo Fuente cigar haul. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.